In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pinterest pixel to GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your GoDaddy dashboard and how to place the Pinterest meta tag so Pinterest can start tracking activity from your site. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and click the official GoDaddy website result. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account using your usual credentials so you can access your products and sites. Keep this tab open throughout the process so you can move smoothly from one screen to the next. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your account name. From the menu that appears, select My Products. This takes you to a list of everything you have with GoDaddy. Find the website you want to connect to Pinterest and click it to open its editor or dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the correct one, since the tag you'll add applies only to the site you choose. Inside your site's workspace, go to the upper right corner and click Settings. This is where GoDaddy groups key integrations and site-wide options. Take a moment to scan the categories so you know what lives here for future updates. In the Settings area, look for the option labeled Pinterest Meta Tag and click it. This section is dedicated to connecting your website with Pinterest by placing the verification snippet that Pinterest provides. Even though people often say Pinterest Pixel, on GoDaddy this is added as a meta tag field designed to verify and connect your site to your Pinterest business tools. Now, switch over to your Pinterest business account to get your meta tag. If you've already generated it, simply copy the code exactly as Pinterest provides it. Be careful to grab the full snippet. Missing a character or adding extra spaces can prevent Pinterest from detecting it. With the code copied, return to your GoDaddy Settings tab and paste the meta tag into the Pinterest meta tag box. Give it a quick glance to confirm it looks identical to what you copied. That's it for the placement on GoDaddy's side. The meta tag sits in your site's header so Pinterest can verify ownership and start attributing activity to your account. If you're working in multiple tabs, avoid refreshing the page until you see confirmation that the field has accepted your code. After this, you can head back to Pinterest when you're ready to complete any verification checks there. You've successfully added your Pinterest tag to your GoDaddy website. This simple connection helps Pinterest understand what's happening on your site, setting you up for better analytics and smarter ad optimization.